modes on and off, 300 solar LEDs, patio and garden to decorate your landscape. What we're going to do is show you how to set up and what the product is about. Starburst fireworks, solar LED lights, 300 LEDs, and for outdoor gardening, patios, and more. The Starburst fireworks have 8 modes. They have a combination mode, sequential, chasing light, twinkle flash, flash and waves, slow glow on a single side, a slow fade, and a steady on. All you need to do here is pull off the gold tie wrap. Allow to swing in the wind and open and spread apart. Take your time and adjust when outside. Take one of the stakes, slide it in, go find your favorite spot in the garden, turn the light on, or allow to get the sun for a full day. And then after a full sun of charge, 6 to 8 hours, running 8 to 12 hours at low light, turn on the unit and use your product. 4 to 6 hours of charging in the sun, 10 to 12 hours of bright light at night. So what we're going to do right here in our garden, this is where I want my light. And I want to do each an individual string that has 4 to 5 lights on. And I want to spread them apart one by one. In our demonstration, we're going to cover up and we're going to just say each mode. Mode number 1, mode number 2, mode number 3, mode number 4. I will give a close-up shot of 5 through 8. Mode number 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now we're going to just go to a mode and shut off. It's a press, you feel the button hit. And when the unit is on and the sun hits it, it'll charge up, and when night starts to fall, it'll go back on and memorize that mode. So we're going to go outside and plant this one in the back. This is the garden. We're going to stake it over here. And we'll come back in the evening hours and show you what it looks like. And we're going to dress up each stringer the best we can to get the most of the light, 300 LEDs. It's nighttime, low light. Dusk to dawn, the light comes on. And it's on one of the modes. And it changes from the different colors, red, yellow, fades down with blue and green. Those are the colors that the unit has. We'll come on over and we'll switch over to the next mode. Apologize if I hit the off button. And this mode is faster blinking. And you can kind of see it like change into a different mood. And it's going through just about every single setting. It looks that way. So what we're going to do is go over to the next mode. This is number 3. It goes back and forth. This is number 4. It's solidly on. Number 5. It's got a cluster of lights in the middle. Gives like a firework display. Number 6. The light dims down, does a little flicker, whatnot. Number 7. And going to number 8 thereafter. This is number 8. And if you don't want the lights on, you could turn them off. They could be put in gardens, patios, on the porch, stairs, in the planter pots, and more. We'll show you what the front looks like. And you can see how it decorates, set up, nice flicker, and changing over to the different ones you want by picking the one that you like. These are solar-powered firecracker type of display lights for your lighting needs. I hope you enjoy the product if this is something that you're looking for in your lighting needs.